Home remedies to get rid of smelly armpits. While a deodorant or an antiperspirant roll-on can be a temporary solution for your smelly underarms in summer, here are a few home remedies which can help you get rid of the embarrassing smell of your underarms. 1. Use rock salt. Put some rock salt in a bucket full of lukewarm water. Mix well till it dissolves, and then take shower. It has cleansing properties and also eliminates extra sweat. 2. Spray apple cider vinegar. Take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and mix it with 1/2 cup of water. Put it in a spray bottle and use it every night on your underarms before sleeping. Wash it with lukewarm water in the morning. 3. Use potato. Cut thin slices of potato and rub it on your underarms for 30 minutes. Wash it with water and your underarm smell will fade away.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
4. Apply baking soda with lemon. Take 2 tablespoons baking soda and mix it with 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Make a paste. Massage the mixture on your underarms for 10 minutes in a circular motion. Wash off with water. 5. Use tomato juice. Mix tomato juice with lemon juice. Apply the mixture for 10 minutes around your armpits, and then wash it off with cold water.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.